Landscape fabrics provide a layer of protection for your landscape or garden, letting water and nutrients in while stopping unwanted weeds from taking root. To properly install your fabric, first clear all weeds, grass, and unwanted plants from the area to be landscaped. Then unroll the fabric to fully cover the desired area. Trim excess fabric to fit irregular shaped areas. Now, secure the fabric in place using landscape staples or stakes. Cut an X-shaped opening with a utility knife to accommodate new plants or to fit fabric over existing small perennials. Once all fabric is laid and plants are in place, remove any excess dirt from the top of the fabric. Then cover the entire area with 3 to 4 inches of stone or mulch within a couple of days. With properly installed landscape fabric, you'll spend less time pulling weeds and more time enjoying your landscape or garden. Gardien, the way to grow.